I know exactly what you're looking for. I bet you're just waiting to see this big round ass and want me to spread these cheeks open and just... You want to see a little more? Oh, look at that. Put your nose in it, and 1, 2.
Your nose right up to me. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's right. Keep sniffing all my farts. You know, a lot of guys, they say they can, but once the farting comes, they really can't.
Fart for me. Oh, you liked that one, didn't you? Hey, I've got a secret to tell you. Come down here and let me tell you.
Listen.
Wow, what did you fucking eat? She almost pooped herself. You like that though? Oh. I need to fart, Kylie. I know you like them. Are you ready for this one?
Ready?
That's so funny.
Do you like my animal print bikinis? Hopefully I don't pee. Damn. Oh, shit. That's it. That one's a wild one. A real wild one. We're at the gas station. We're at the gas station? Yeah, I gotta give something back. Yeah, we take gas, we give gas. We take gas, we give gas. Shh. Oh, that was gross.
Oh gosh. See that?
Stop it. Ready? Oh. Smell the magic.